heading to Tagaytay. The boys are excited. Hello, Nanay.
Nanay Red. I want Nanay.
No, dito ka. Exit ka na eh.
Nanay again.
I want Nanay. Nanay.
You gotta miss the jeepneys. Do you wanna ride this jeepney?
Yes. I want to
Want to what? Scared? I want to ride jeepney?
ride jeepney.
Okay, we'll ride the jeepney next time. In the Bacolod or Baguio. Tricycle.
Yeah,
There's a parade.
I know that.
Tricycle parade. Happy. Andito kami sa Cavite. Dalaw sa mga lola.
Hello. Welcome home.
Thank you.
Ano mo?
May langaw. Hindi.
Welcome to Tagaytay. Let's see the view. Wow. Kasang umaga. Woohoo! Oh, Tagaytay. I'll be having breakfast by Taal Lake in Tagaytay. Here, check it out. It's so bright, but that's the lake right there. Wow. And our condotel is just behind this building. Pretty good destination. If you wanna book it, contact Raymond. It's his hotel. At yeah, look at that. Tagaytay Galaxy Restaurant. Where are you going again?
I'm going to the zoo.
Paradiso. Red there. Red! Sit on your car seat! Red! Baka dila-dila ka natin ah.
You're Mr. Ready.
Papa is driving all day.
All day,
Every day. Paradiso. Blue's gonna go.
Ayun na, may baby. Oh, tumatawid.
Look, there's goose.
Yay.
Daming goose sa atin ah.
Ay, hindi naman puti.
Goose-goosin.
Yan, mga puti.
Yeah. Goose-goosin.
270 goose.
Other goose-goosin.
There's one more goose.
This is a
Stop.
farm place. You know, theme park.
Very good na sila.
Ay, stop.
Yay.
Tara. Sunod tayo kay ate.
Sunod tayo kay. Ito po yung animal feeding yun, ha? Baling itong guest ko, para po siya sa 4 and 5-legged animals po.
Oh, okay.
Ito naman pong carrots, para po siya sa guinea-pig and bunnies.
Okay.
Pwede rin po siya sa donkey, ma'am.
Okay.
Tapos ito naman pong pellets, para po siya sa ostrich and ducks.
Okay.
Tapos ito naman po isa, ma'am, para po siya sa birds.
Okay.
Wow. Bawal sa kamay, lagay mo sa ground.
Yan. O, yan.
Pin the ostrich. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, lakas niya. That's nice.
Si Chuchay.
Chuchay.
Bali, ano po yan,
Itik.
po siya ng aming family dito sa zoo. Donated po siya ng isa naming guest po. Kalimitan po pag
walang itik.
display yung rabbits po, sila po talaga is. Pwede niyo po
Ito ba, baby? Give to the baby.
Bali parang nag-enable lang naman po. Hindi ko siya.
Lo.
What can I see?
Itik. Saka yung mga pato. Give it to there, sa likod mo. Behind you. Ang pagong.
Why do they stay there?
Say hello, pagong. Ay, ayaw na touch. No touch. Takot si Red. O, tara na. Ayun o, touch na siya. O. Yan. O, tara na. Sa iba. Good. Wow.
Huwag mong ganyan-ganyan. Hihilain ka nila. Natatakot sila yun. Ayun na lang, pakainin nyo yung nasa tabi nyo.
5 legs alert. 5 legs alert. 5 legs alert.
Where? Ayan sila. Uy, siba.
Wow, kalabaw. Look. Lapit mo pa. Ayaw. Yung donkey. The donkey, ayan na. That one, the white one. Kuya will give the donkey some carrots. Give. Yun yung sinakyan ni Jesus. Alis.
Let's go. See a bird.
Look. It's eating.
Bali hindi naman po sila masabi.
Papapicturean doon na. So, tingnan po. Yan, oh, sa'yo na yan. Sa'yo. Put them in your head. Halloween decors here, may mga nanggal pa. Saka sa white lady. Umaga lumalabas yung white lady ah. Nawas pa. Butterfly. Katabayo. Did you hold the butterfly?
Yes. Our skin.
Hala.
They are hairless talaga.
Wow. Hindi yan yung itchy. You wanna hold one, kuya? Oh.
Ang big caterpillar.
Touch it.
They are soft only.
Gusto mo hawakan?
Try to touch like
Oh, ganyan lang kuya.
Oh, sige.
this. Oh wait.
Oh, nagpoopy. Oh. Oh, kuya will give it to you. Oh. Flat yung kamay.
Gentle lang. Remember,
How about
that's
you?
gonna be a beautiful butterfly.
Ganun mo. Picturean kita.
Huwag na lang po muna siya. Baka pisain niya.
Cheese. Kuya, tingnan.
To complete its metamorphosis started from egg, caterpillar, pupa, or chrysalis until it will become a butterfly, it takes 1 month. Oh, din pag lahat.
Kanya yan yung sensor
Butterfly. Red, you want one?
niya. No.
Ayaw ko niya.
Okay, anyway po, good morning everyone. So welcome to our honey house. So this time we are here in honey house. So we call this place honey house. Here we keep the bees and also with the bee.
Wow.
Hold it ka kuya, you look like a beekeeper kuya. Hold it, may honey pa. Hold it.
Oh, may honey pa yun.
Oh, here, hold it.
That's a real honey. That's where real honey comes from, kuya.
Oh, picture ka muna. Hold
Oh,
it.
pictures
Like
ka,
a
oh.
beekeeper.
Red, tabi ka kay kuya. Tabi.
Look at the camera. Look.
Tabi kay kuya. Cheese.
Wow, bees. Look at the camera, look at.
Ready? Sing, kuya.
Hi, poo-poo.
Ang halaman doon. Ay, sorry. Ano yan?
Kamas at tulong. Curious at me. Sitaw, pataw, kabani. Chik,
Kundol,
kondol,
patola, upo,
opo, cows, kalabasa.
tsaka mayroon pa.
Manamos, basa,
Mustasa, ito. O, sibuyas,
luya,
kamatis.
bawang at luya.
Sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng
Liga,
linga. O, go to the bahay. Go to the bahay. Bicycle dito sa Tagaytay. Ibang klase. Parang tuk-tuk. It's lunchtime here. We're gonna go eat lunch with a view. So yung mga bata, log 2. Kuya, wag ka matulog. Uy, gising. Look oh! We're gonna eat by the volcano. Saan mo gusto sa Cubor dito sa view? Oh, dito na tayo. Wow, food. Here, Bulalo in Tagaytay. Switchless ba?
Sarap.
So good. Unlimited soup. Up from his nap. Bulalo agad. Cute naman. Init ba? Uy ka na? Uy ka na, gusto mo na umuwi?
I want to draw.
You want to draw? Okay, here on a rooftop of the hotel, or condotel, you can see the view of the Taal Lake here with the volcano. Can you show me where's the volcano, Red? Where is? That one. Oh, see? Is it beautiful volcano? Yep. Isa pa, last one. Flash. Isa pa.
This one.
Oh, sige. Hindi, malaki yan siya. Patay na, okay na yan. Flash. The toilet. There you go. Let's go.